You've probably seen people online saying they make money testing games from home, playing early builds, giving feedback, and earning cash without needing experience. And one of the most popular platforms promising this opportunity is PlaytestCloud. But in 2026, is PlaytestCloud really the job you wish for? Or is it just another overhyped side gig? Welcome to GigaBits, where we review the most talked about digital platforms so you know exactly what's worth your time. Today we're breaking down PlaytestCloud to see if it truly delivers. I spent several days researching PlaytestCloud, testing its onboarding, reviewing payment structures, looking at actual tester experiences, and analyzing how the platform works behind the scenes. PlaytestCloud has been around for years, and it's well known among beginner game testers, but expectations often don't match reality. Some testers claim easy payouts, while others say tests are rare, competitive, and require patience. So before calling it the perfect job for 2026, let's break down what the platform really offers and what you should be prepared for. PlaytestCloud advertises itself as a simple way to earn money by testing mobile games. The promise is straightforward. Play early versions of games, follow the instructions, record your voice or gameplay, submit your test, get paid. It sounds like a dream job, playing games and earning cash. But the real question is how often tests appear, how much you can realistically earn, and whether the platform is reliable enough to be considered a good income source in 2026. Step 1. Signing up. Signing up for PlaytestCloud is easy. You complete a short demographic profile and take a qualification test. This test must show that you can follow instructions, think clearly, and communicate your thoughts while playing. If you fail, you can retry after improving your approach. Step 2. Frequency of tests. This is where many users feel disappointed. Tests are not guaranteed. They depend entirely on your age, region, gaming habits, and the needs of developers. During my review, some days offered no tests at all, while others showed 2 or 3. The platform is legitimate, but opportunities fluctuate. Step 3. Payment rates. PlaytestCloud pays fairly for the time spent. Short tests may pay around $5 to $9, while longer ones can reach $15 or more. Payments are sent via PayPal, and most testers confirm that payouts are reliable and on time. However, because test frequency varies, total monthly earnings can range widely. Step 4. What testing actually involves. You're not just playing games casually. You must speak your thoughts aloud, explain what you're doing, provide feedback, and follow instructions carefully. This takes focus, and some users underestimate how structured the process is. Step 5. Device requirements and usability. PlaytestCloud works on most smartphones and tablets. The testing. Software installs automatically and records gameplay and audio. For the most part, the system works smoothly, though sometimes tests fail to upload, requiring a retry. Step 6. Who this job is best. From my testing, PlaytestCloud fits people looking for a flexible side gig, students, part-time workers, stay-at-home parents, or anyone wanting occasional extra income. But it's not a replacement for a full-time job, no matter how much you enjoy gaming. So, is PlaytestCloud the job you wish for in 2026? If you want a fun, low-pressure way to earn some extra cash testing mobile games, then yes, it's absolutely worth trying. The platform is legitimate, pays reliably, and offers an enjoyable experience for anyone who likes discovering new games early. But if you're hoping for consistent daily work or a steady income, PlaytestCloud won't meet those expectations. It's best seen as a side gig, not a career. If this review helped you understand whether PlaytestCloud is right for you, make sure to subscribe to GigaBits. We review the most important platforms every week. Hit the like button if this breakdown helped you, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tested games online. Thanks for watching GigaBits, where we help you choose the best tools, jobs, and digital opportunities in 2026.